Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment, where we bring you the tea each and every day. Now guys, in my recent video I posted that Sadiq's home burned down, right? And you guys have seen it, it's trending. They also made videos of themselves. They just documented everything from the house burning to the when they came to check on them. I saw on her Instagram stories people came to check on her to offer their condolences, and they also made videos of that. Right now, people are just like, no, there's something wrong with these people. This house was burnt down just for clout. Like, why would your house be on fire and the only thing that you can think about is taking a video, posting on Instagram? Why are you not worried that you no longer have a home? So these were the comments that were on Instagram. I will insert the screenshots here so that you guys can see for yourself that I'm not making this up, okay? Now, there were also allegations that she burnt the house intentionally just for insurance money, guys. Can you imagine? I really don't know. Like, would you burn your house for insurance money? I mean, how much do these insurance companies pay? I think maybe if I knew how much they pay, maybe it would make sense, But to me, it really doesn't make sense. But I guess to each their own, And also some people were saying that's not their house, it's a church, because she is Umamfundisi, right? She is a pastor. So people were saying, no, that's not is that a church building? It looks like a church building. It doesn't look like their home. Guningi, and then people were saying like, no, for those two, everything is just content for those two, because they also vlogged their grandmother's funeral, guys. Apparently they vlogged their grandmother's funeral from start to finish. Someone said, but I feel like content, Lava Shem. They vlogged a whole funeral from the point of finding out. Guys, I didn't watch that vlog. But I know that they lost their grandmother, who was taking care of them like from a young age, right? So guys, all right, now I know that people like documenting things, especially for funeral and weddings. Like, people used to make videos, they used to hire cameramans to take videos and stuff, and then they make it as a CD, long time ago when we were still using CDs, and then they store it like for memories and stuff. But for you to be the one who's taking the videos now, who's taking like a whole vlog, guys, a vlog, you have to talk. You are there talking like, oh guys, we are now going to my grandmother's funeral. Like, I don't know. I didn't watch that vlog. I think I might go and watch it to see what was going on there. Like, you are the one who's supposed to be crying and doing all that stuff. You are the one oshonelwe kumele ukuthi ukhale, like uwe ozilile, you are mourning. But no, you are the one who's taking pictures instead of crying. Like, I really don't know, guys, about that one. You see, like, vlogging a whole funeral, it's just something else, It's really something else. And someone said, why ingati film? Why they be acting Batung? So someone said that they are acting because, like, guys, the way that video was taken, it's like, take a video of us walking and then they are walking, and then come to this side, because that person is not like, it's not one video, it's a 360 degrees clear video, guys. that person is turning and turning, you know, when they are crying, like, oh, like as in Hashem kuning, you know. And the first video that I saw, I think it was taken by her sister, because there was just that video, and then in the background she said, guys, my sister just lost her home. So yeah, I think the first one that I saw was taken by her sister, and then maybe the rest of the videos were taken by her sister, you know. And maybe they are just doing this to save the videos as testimony when they have built another house, just to see how far they've come. I don't know, but guningi guys, guningi, like, it's a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I will see you on my next one.